Ready, huh?
Okay.
You make resist me, okay? Fight me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're not strong, huh? 4 times. Now, what I'm doing, you wear this negative ion. Okay? To see is to believe. What is the effect? Okay? I will count to 10 seconds. Make like that for you, like your cell phone. This is good or not? Why is this anti-radiation, anti-heat protection? Negative ion. Okay? Check like that. Then MCQ. Wait, okay. Now bro, I will test you again. Ready? So, this is to believe again, huh?
Okay.
I will make you strong.
Experts ions. Powerful.
Powerful, huh?
What was that?
See the benefits?
Okay, now magic. To see, okay.
It's okay.
I will show you what is the difference without that one, huh?
Okay.
Can I make a missed call from you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Just a missed call.
055. Okay.
You can listen to my voice.
055 25
45.
Ah, no, no. 45
25.
25
137.
107. But you just put your cell phone here. Twice only. 2 ring. Not answer, huh? Okay, now. So I will try again. Without this one. Simple. To remove the stent. Oh, same, huh?
Oh.
Oh,
Finish.
Listen. So it means I don't want to be moved.
Yeah.
Right hand.
Yes,
Oh, it's
hard.
That-
okay. I understand right now.
Okay.
I got it.
Fight me, huh?
Okay.
But you
Yes, I'll move right now.
and then you put again.
Next time. Next. For the second time. 10 seconds again. Good talking, huh? 10 seconds after. 10 seconds. Okay. Again, I will test. More, huh? I will make my power.
Aywa. Good job.
Imagine, because what is the negative ion? What is the
What is
benefit?
it?